It was a joke for a minute about meeting each other because I lived in Nashville and he lived in New Orleans. And I was like, no, I'm not meeting him. But then one day he called me randomly. I didn't even know who it was. I picked up the phone and he was like, hey, this is Patrick. He asked me to go on a date 2 weeks later, so we came and met in Alabama because it's our halfway point. I drove back to Nashville Monday night crying because I liked him. It's always been so easy with him, like from the beginning. I've never once questioned if he cared about me, which is like my favorite part. I love you, I can't wait. With hope, you pull me close and tell my heart to rest, 'cause you know what is best, yes, and you're not done yet.
So hey, I'm gonna go propose in Nashville. I got down on the knee at our first spot where we took a picture. She's just a beautiful person inside and out, you know? Her smile, I like her accent. After tonight, we don't have to be apart from each other, you know? We can be with each other every day. I love you, Heather, and I can't wait to marry you.
All the while you keep saying, trust that I am orchestrating everything for good. All the while you keep saying, trust that I am custom making everything for good. All the while you keep saying, trust that I am custom making everything for good. You work all things together for good, all things together for good, all things together for good, like you said you would. You work all things together for good, all things together for good, all things together for good, like you said you would. You write a beautiful story, you write a beautiful story from glory.
Pat, you are my best friend, my favorite, my rock when things get tough, my person and my better half. I promise to always let you pull for the LC Tigers, even though we all know the better team.
Yes.
I promise to support you, to stand by your side in the good and bad. I will forever be honored and proud to be your wife. I love you with my whole heart, and I promise these things today and forever.
Like you said you would, you work all things together.
Heather, you are my best friend, my soulmate, my saving grace. I promise to always love you. I promise to always be faithful to you. I promise to be by your side through good times and bad. I promise to always be honest with you. And I promise to always eat Mexican with you. I promise you this from my heart for the rest of my life.
I'd like to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Patrick Talamo.
Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know I'd never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just